Up to 50% of employees are considering leaving their company due to a lack of training. That's bad news, but it is avoidable. In this video, I'll be showing you how Brainier can help with that. How does a learning management system, or LMS, help your company? Tools like Brainier create a user-friendly and customizable database of videos to keep your skills sharp. But how do you build an LMS, and how do you create all of the content that you need, especially for compliance training? Well, you don't have to, or at least not all of it. We'll talk about that more in a bit. What makes Brainier unique? Brainier LMS goes beyond a training repository by also helping with the difficult tasks of employee engagement and overall learning strategy. Brainier claims to bridge the gap between traditional learning methods and modern learner needs, but is it enough to help your company not just survive, but thrive in today's competitive business landscape? TechnologyAdvice's experts got brainy with Brainier, so I could give you the breakdown on what makes Brainier a viable LMS solution. What if I told you that with the right approach, compliance training could become an engaging, even enjoyable experience? Let's say you're a seasoned, grizzled HR professional, and every single year you have to painstakingly curate this huge list of boring, dry, old, outdated videos and presentations, and your employees just have to begrudgingly drudge through all of them, not really retaining any information. It's bad. Nobody likes that. Nobody wants that. Brainier seeks to ease this burden by offering off-the-shelf libraries of compliance content that cover the needs of many different industries, which makes things easier for you to focus on whatever it is that you do best. Whether you're using their training courses or your own, Brainier makes delivering the training to employees easier with automatic recurring assignments, which are useful for yearly compliance training. You can also customize reminders for employees to follow up on training based on upcoming expiration dates or new requirements. With Brainier's innovative approach to compliance training as a seasoned HR professional, your organization can experience a remarkable transformation. A once dreaded box-ticking exercise can become a catalyst for employee engagement, continuous learning, and professional development. But compliance is just the tip of the employee training iceberg. How does Brainier empower organizations to develop a truly comprehensive learning strategy that drives skill development and fosters innovation? For starters, Brainier has a lot of features to foster a customized learning experience. Learners can customize their learning dashboard and include e-learning video courses, evaluations, quizzes, virtual events, and live events. There's also training that you can tailor specifically for customers. The e-commerce model allows customers to browse, search, and purchase the training they want from your libraries. Brainier includes gamification and engagement tools that help drive interaction with employees. Employees can earn points, level up on a group or company leaderboard, achieve ranks, earn animated badges, and engage in friendly competition. With all these features, Brainier helps you provide training that is relevant, customized, and engaging for your team. Having a bunch of cool content is great and all, but how do you manage your LMS tool and training strategy overall? Brainier Cultivate is a set of premium built-in features that help with talent management strategy. It includes video coaching, certification planning, goal tracking, and easy assessment creation. Cultivate also has self, 180 or 360-degree assessments. These are assigned by administrators and will show up in the list of assigned courses for each user and can be used to assess specific users, their direct reports, or even cross-team performance. With these tools, Brainier goes beyond basic functionality to help with overall strategy and performance management. Brainier is an awesome LMS option, but there's a ton more out there. Check out this playlist we made just for you, or better yet, visit our website to see our list of the top options available today. You can see breakdowns, comparisons, and more detailed info to help you make your purchasing decisions there. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.